What is this used for? Is it taste good? What does it taste like? Many people, including myself, enjoy shopping at grocery stores in other countries because it allows us to discover unfamiliar ingredients and food cultures. However, dealing with the language barrier has been difficult, alienating, and frustrating. Using Google Translate camera function to read level is essential, especially for those new to Japan. But isn't it kind of pain to do every single stuff? So in today's video, I will guide you Japanese grocery stores, must-buy top 10 items, and some useful Japanese to make your shopping easy. Oh, the Wagyu beef looks delicious. Today, I'm at Ito Yokado store in Tokyo, which carry a wide range of daily necessities, food, and fashion. Uniqlo and Loft, you can find everything from daily necessities to home appliances. It's an essential spot for the neighbors. Its food section also has a wide variety of products. It's relatively inexpensive. I wish we had it nearby my house. The grocery section is at the very back of the first floor. Let's start by checking the supermarket layout. The layout is generally arranged to rotate counterclockwise, starting with fruits, vegetables, meat and fish, and the other snacks and condiments in the middle. First of all, please try some Japanese delicious fruit. At the fruit section, you will find both domestic and imported ones, so be sure to try the domestic ones. By the way, all the fruits I'm showing now are imported. Those oranges are from the United States. The place of origin is often indicated on the label. If you don't read Japanese, you could ask any staff saying like this. 国産ですか? 国産ですか? 国産 means domestically produced. Deska is a polite Japanese sentence ending expression used to turn a sentence into a question. Probably you could also ask, 国産のフルーツはどれですか? 国産のフルーツはどれですか? Also, please keep in mind the fruits that grow in Japan during each season. The strawberries are in season right now. They are typically in season from December to May with a variety of kinds from different regions. After that comes cherry season. Then you should try juicy peaches in June and July, Kyoho and Muscat grapes in September, and mandarin in winter. After passing the fruit section, you will find a wide variety of fresh vegetables. I'll skip the raw vegetable this time. This is a pickle section. They sell variety kinds of pickles such as umeboshi and nukazuke. This is the tofu section. Various types of tofu are available, including deep fried, silicone, and firmed ones. If you're health conscious, you should definitely try fresh Japanese natto. Fresh natto has an exceptional flavor and aroma, and Japan offers a wide variety of them. This is made of black beans. There are also many different flavors of sauce, and I have a video introducing my recommendations once, so please check it out. This natto is a great deal. It comes in a pack of 3 for only 68 yen. There is something nearby NATTO area that you might not be familiar with. This is called kanikama, a processed fish product made to resemble crab. This looks just like a real crab, isn't it? These are all made from processed fish products and have been cooked so you can eat them as they are. Because the shape is cylindrical, we often put cucumber inside and eat them together. As a side dish in bento boxes, you can also find in different cute shapes like this. These fish cakes are not only delicious but also rich in nutrition. The one pack contains 6.8 grams of protein. Furthermore, because fish have a lower body temperature, digestion began faster than that of eggs or chicken breast. That allows protein to be digested quickly and absorbed efficiently. That's why they are highly recommended for young children, elderly individuals, and for post-workout protein intake. At Japanese supermarkets, meat is sold already cut in ways that are easy to cook, such as for yakiniku, sukiyaki, and curry. Price is also vary depending on premium brand Japanese Wagyu or regular domestic ones. You can enjoy delicious Japanese rice simply by heating it in the microwave. Not only white rice, but also this kind of brown rice is recommended for health-conscious people. Sekihan is my favorite and it has a chewy texture. In Japan, it is often eaten on celebratory occasions. Gomoku rice is also delicious. If you buy rice, be sure to pick up some furikake or other toppings and go with it. The problem is you don't know what flavor they are. For people like that, I recommend the Furikake series sold by Marumiya. The package has illustration on them so it's easy to understand. For example, this one is called Noritama, which is seaweed and egg flavored. This one is bonito flavor. It might be a little tricky, it's tarako flavor. So, can you guess what flavor this is? It's actually seaweed salt flavored potato chips. Oh, this is my favorite. Furikake is a long-selling furikake seasoning and it's one I've been eating ever since I was a child. It has a simple but addictive flavor with a refreshing aroma and a slight tang of red shiso. Salted kelp is delicious when mixed into rice, of course, but it's also great when toasted with cucumbers or cabbage. It makes vegetable enjoyable. The Pokemon Furikake has 4 different flavors and even including a sticker, so it's very popular with children. The stuff in those jars next to it also goes well with rice. They're not dry, so more like a ready-to-eat side dish with rice and really handy to have in the fridge. It's good as onigiri filling as well. This is seaweed simmered in soy sauce with plum flavor. Oh, this is also my favorite, nametake, a seasoned enoki mushroom dish that's commonly eaten with rice. It also tastes great with tofu, natto, and grated radish. If you're going to miss Japanese ramen after you get home, you should definitely get some instant noodles as souvenirs. These packaged noodles come with about 5 servings in one pack, so they're a better option. Each pack is about 400 yen. Addition to this, they had an impressive lineup of original ramen here, so let me show you some of them. Afuri, a ramen restaurant originating in Kanagawa Prefecture, is famous for its yuzu-flavored ramen. A rich chicken paitan ramen from Kyoto. A rich pork bone soy sauce-based broth and thick noodles from Yokohama. Hakata district is known for tonkotsu ramen. Nagoya is also famous for its spicy Taiwanese-style ramen. A ramen from Toyama Prefecture is known as black ramen and it has a very dark, almost black soy sauce-based broth. Which one would you like to try? Miso soup is considered a comfort food in Japan and it's highly nutritious and commonly eaten in your daily life. It's convenient for busy people and easy to carry, which is why its demand has been increasing. This is Aosa miso soup, which is one of my favorite ingredients. This cup contains miso and dry ingredients, so you can easily enjoy miso soup just by adding hot water. This is a fresh miso type and it contains 8 servings. The fresh miso type has a richer miso flavor, so if you really want to enjoy the taste of miso, you should definitely choose this type. The other type is single serving freeze-dried. They are known for having a wide variety and larger amount of ingredients. Assortment pack lets you easily enjoy 4 different types of ingredients. You could probably tell whether it's a fresh miso type or the freeze-dried one just by holding them. Even they're in instant form, miso soup can still offer health benefits. I'm really blown away the selection of these confectionaries. Let me introduce a few of my favorites and some long-selling classic snacks. The crunchy texture of jagariko is addictive. Many people are probably already familiar with it, right? It often releases new flavors and there are also many regional local varieties from all over Japan, so it's definitely worth trying. Caramel cone is a long-selling snack made of crispy corn puff coated with sweet syrup, giving it a sweet and toasty flavor. What else can I find? Crunchy pickled plums are recommended for replenishing minerals in the peak of the summer and for a quick boost when you're feeling tired. I like these gummies called petagumi. They have a unique shape. They are thin and they have a chewy, hard texture. Umando is a snack made of multiple layers of thin crepe wrapped around cream. The inside is surprisingly crispy. I really like the texture. It's a crispy rice cracker coated in the sweet and salty powder, giving it an addictive flavor. Once you start eating them, you cannot stop. The last one I recommend is my favorite snack of them all. Slightly sweet, a little salty, crispy fried biscuit. Let me know your favorite snacks. Yokado's daily foods are highly recommended because they offer a wide variety and are reasonably priced. They are very popular with locals thanks to their carefully selected ingredients and well-crafted seasoning, offering a wide range of flavors. This onigiri set is very affordable at just 350 yen. Various kinds of fried noodles are available. Ramen, grilled chicken. The yakitori is grilled over charcoal. The menu offers a well-balanced option of vegetables and meat. Sweet lovers should definitely try the dessert too. The cream puffs and waffles all look so good. Oh, it's a good one. Marugoto banana features a slightly sponge cake filled with whipped cream and whole banana. Usually, foods close to their expiration date often get discounted in the evening with special stickers. For example, this sticker means 50 yen off the original price. This is 20% off. It's even 50% off. There are also several items near the checkout that were close to their expiration dates. Be sure to check the expiration date before putting in a basket. Yes, sashimi and sushi are very popular among local people. Our sashimi platter features of tuna, salmon, and a variety of fresh seasonal fish. Convenience stores don't sell sushi made with fresh fish like this, so supermarkets are the best place to buy prepared food like this. This might not be well known, but it's called chirashi sushi, a type of sushi with a variety of ingredients scattered on top. You all know this, right? Makizushi. Sushi and other freshness-sensitive foods are prepared right in the supermarket, which keeps them nice and fresh. In today's video, I introduced the top 10 recommended items you can buy at Japanese supermarkets. I hope this video helped make your shopping experience more enjoyable. After the checkout, there's a microwave available so you can warm your foods up. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.